You may know how to get the exit code from the command line. You can get one by echoing the $sign and the question mark, like this simple example. 0 means success, and if there's something wrong, we can tell when its value is non-zero. Some people like to customize their prompt, and so do I. And one of my favorite customizations is to have the exit code of the last command on the prompt. So here we go, let's make it happen. The thing we're going to change is the shell variable, ps1. Bash will take its value as the primary prompt string. Currently, my prompt is just a $sign and a space. Now I tend to take one step at a time. The first item I want to add is my login name. So we assign it with a value \u and $sign and a space as the new prompt and see what will happen. Yeah, now it has my login name. The next one I want to add is the host name. So we do it again with the value \u at \h $sign and a space. And this time we have login name and host name. Great. Finally comes the meat of this tutorial, the exit code. So we add $sign and the question mark into the ps1 variable and check out the result. Not bad, but we can do more to get better readability. So I like to wrap it within square brackets. Now let's try it. We first list an existing file, showing 0 as we expected. Then list the non-existing file. We got 2 this time. And if we make a directory just right under the root, we have 1 since we don't have permission. What about when we make a typo or simply don't have such a program installed on our computer? Well, it shows 127 for this situation. And it will show 130 when the command is terminated by a signal, like when we use the Ctrl+C to cancel the current command. Isn't that handy? What's the favorite information you would like to put onto the prompt? Let me know in the comment section below. Now, if you want to learn the fundamental skills of Bash scripting, I put together a free guide of 50 useful Unix commands. You can find the link in the description box below. And check out my other tutorial videos for more Bash scripting tips. I'll see you in the next video. Happy stacking!